Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and let me tell you, when I see ripe bananas, I see the perfect opportunity to make a delicious, moist, and beautiful banana bread with the right touch of sweetness. But before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe and also go ahead and throw a banana at that like button. I'm just kidding. Just go ahead and click on it. Also, click that notification bell so that every time I upload a new recipe, you are notified. Let's get started. In a deep bowl, combine your dry ingredients, starting with 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Also add half a teaspoon of salt. With a whisk, combine all of the ingredients and once done, place the bowl to the side. Measure out the following ingredients and set aside for later use as well. Start by measuring 1/3 cup of room temperature buttermilk. Crack 2 room temperature large eggs, and to this also add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It is very important for the ingredients to be at room temperature. This way they will mix easily and the outcome will be perfect. And we also need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now to prepare the wet ingredients. Peel and add to a mixing bowl 3 ripe bananas. It's important for them to be ripe as this results in concentrated flavor and it also provides natural sweetness. Also add 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar, which is the perfect addition to help lock in moisture and develop a satisfying crunch. Cream them together on medium-high speed for about 1 minute or until the bananas are broken down. Now add the vegetable oil and mix on medium-low speed. Right after that, incorporate the buttermilk. Also add the eggs and vanilla extract. Make sure to add the eggs one at a time. Keep mixing and stop when everything looks well combined. Take the banana mix and pour over the dry ingredients. Using a rubber spatula makes the job so much easier because it scrapes out most of the mix with minimal waste. With the same spatula, start folding all of the ingredients until well incorporated. Do not overmix. Stop once you reach the desired result. Prepare a 9x5 loaf baking pan, spray it with nonstick spray and line it with parchment paper. This will prevent the bread from sticking and will make for an easy removal. Pour the batter and level the surface as much as you can. This bread will not only be delicious, but it will also look incredible. Take a whole banana, peel it, and slice it in half. Take the halves and sprinkle the cut side with brown sugar. Pack a good amount of sugar on top of them so they can brûle perfectly once in the oven. When done, place on top of the batter. The second half will go on the opposite direction. You don't have to push them down. While the bread bakes, the bananas will adjust and stay afloat while they brulee beautifully. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees and we will bake it for about 50 to 55 minutes or until a skewer or toothpick comes out clean. Once done, I know it's hard because at this point your kitchen will smell wonderful, but allow it to cool down by placing it on a rack. This recipe is so easy and you're going to wow everyone you make this for. The parchment paper will make unmolding this bread so easy. No headaches, no messes, no sticking. This banana bread is incredibly moist. The buttermilk provides a pleasant tang and makes this bread so soft. The salt opens up the flavors in the bananas and balances the overall sweetness. The bruleed bananas on top are the perfect touch. It truly represents the beauty of this bread. It is not only gorgeous, but the flavors are perfection. This banana bread is so moist, has an amazing flavor, so do not hesitate to try this at home. Well, we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, have an amazing rest of your day.